front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, like in my case, select this gear one instead. Click on voice typing over here and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also click on your microphone and tap on tiny icon right next to it. Then use voice typing from this toolbar. Tap on the same microphone. Use this button with an X to delete text on the go. Hold your toolbar and move it around to place it in the best spot for you. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to access all of those options. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!